This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start preparation for TOEFL step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Each section is scored from 0 to 30 points, totaling 120 points. Knowing your current English level helps you gauge the effort needed. Set a clear, achievable target score based on your university requirements to guide your study plan effectively. Once you understand the exam, it's time to create a robust study plan. Dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours daily or several hours weekly to consistent practice. Prioritize areas where you feel less confident, perhaps spending more time on speaking or writing. Utilize official TOEFL guides and practice tests. They offer the most accurate representation of the actual exam experience. This structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage. Now, let's dive into practicing each section. For reading, engage with academic articles and practice identifying main ideas and details. Enhance listening by actively taking notes during university-level lectures and dialogues. For speaking, record yourself responding to prompts within the allotted time, typically 15 to 45 seconds. Finally, for writing, practice crafting well-organized essays and summaries, aiming for clarity and coherence. As you near your test date, consistent review is crucial. Analyze your practice test results to pinpoint recurring errors and areas needing more attention. Take several full-length practice tests, adhering strictly to the time limits for each section. This builds stamina and helps manage time effectively. Finally, simulate the actual test environment, including using headphones and a quiet space, to reduce anxiety on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.